time to grind again. Shake these haters off my back, free my mind with this pen. Everybody trying to hold me back, destroy my plans, cause everybody hates on what they don't understand. I keep on moving, I keep on pushing, speed up the pace just to add a little cushion. Trying to be myself while I'm living out my dreams. Man, I get so amped when I hear the crowd scream. Never let nobody tell you anything's impossible. Do it for the love, not the money, and be unstoppable. Keep that in the champs, keep on hitting you with colossal flow. Anybody hating on you, tell them they gotta go. Busting in and fighting crime. Or you could be a doctor, always saving people's lives. Yeah, you could be anything so long as you use your mind. But if it don't make you happy, then rightfully decline. Tell them this is my life, I got one shot to make it right. People trying to jump at you, trying to obstruct your line of sight. Of course life ain't gonna be easy, you can't win overnight. Just hold on to that dream and spark of genius will ignite. Just keep your chin up, just think this is the final hour. Life ain't about making money, you're having all the power. When all these big shots be laughing at you and looking funny, in the back of your mind you know you're thinking mind over money.
Yeah.